Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to copy text from any website or even an image straight into Microsoft Word. Installing it is super easy. Let's see. First, go to the Microsoft Store. Download the latest version and install it. Open PowerToys and enable Text Extractor from the left menu. Now for the magic trick. Here's how to use it. Just press Windows+Shift+D. Your screen will dim. Now click and drag over any text on the screen. Instantly, the text is copied to your clipboard. Now just open Microsoft Word and paste. Your text is pasted. Thank you.